Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be doing some back testing, so you're going to follow me through how I use FX Replay to backtest. So let's, not waste any time, let's just get into it. So, as you know, I'm on my road to becoming a profitable trader. I'm specifically trying to show that I can be consistently profitable over a long period of time. And depending on my results going forward, I'm going to start practicing for a prop firm challenge. So what I want to see in my backtesting results really is just to see that I can make 3 to 6% consistently. I know some prop firms require 10%, so I'm trying to be able to do that, and that's kind of what my goal is. Anyways, I'm not gonna. If you guys want to know more specifically about what I'm doing right now in terms of getting ready to do that, just let me know. But let's just get into this backtesting. So, alright, so first of all, I'm on the daily chart. I'm starting on the daily chart. I can actually also look at the weekly chart real quick. So as you can see, we're pretty much expanding. Sometimes you can mark out the weekly high and low, but because we already took it out, it's not as relevant. I'm guessing drawn liquidity is up here, or it could be here. This is weird hybrid fair value gap. But yeah, the draw is higher. We have buy side all the way up here. Buy side liquidity. And yeah, so from a daily chart standpoint of where we are in time, right now I have it set to like 7:50 on a Thursday. So we're on a Thursday. And I'm just marking out some areas that stand out to me. So we're bullish, obviously. You can just look at the chart and see that we're bullish. I'm just marking out anything that supports that bias, going from daily all the way down to a 5-minute, because I like to set my trades on a 5-minute. So I'm just going to mark that out. Daily fair value gap. I marked up previous day's high and low. I love when we're below previous day high, because it's a very good target, valid target. So that's really it right now. We do have a volume imbalance here. I don't think it will get all the way down there, but it's still good to note bullish PD rates that support your bias. And I could, mark this out too, but I don't think it's as relevant. I do not think unless the market decides to like plummet, I don't think we need to worry about all the way down there. So then we go to the 4-hour, and we do have another fair value gap right here, and this is a 4-hour. Yeah, we're really close to previous day high. We might actually end up taking it out. I like to see that stay open, but just because we're still maybe a decent amount of time away from market open, I'm gonna actually go forward one more hour just to bring it up to 8:55. So yeah, I don't really think there's anything else really. I think there's a fair value gap, but I think it will show up more clearly when we go down to the 1-hour. So going down to the 1-hour, okay, yeah, see, we have the 1-hour fair value gap. We have this one. I don't really use the 3-hour, but there is a 3-hour fair value gap here. It didn't show up on the 4-hour, so we could mark this out. I don't typically like to use the 3-hour time frame, but because I recognize it as a fair value gap, I'd rather just mark out that whole thing. So we might actually we might actually stay within this 3-hour fair value gap. Maybe we'll have like a change in like a soup or a liquidity sweep within this fair value gap. We might not come all the way down here. So going back to 1-hour, let's see here. Let me turn this off real quick so I can see what the lows are. We have this 1-hour fair value gap, actually. 1-hour low, sorry. 1 hour low. And then we have this other 1 hour low. Oh boy. Okay, so this 1 hour low. And that's really it. So we're at, let me turn this back on. So this is on a 5 minute, this is on a 1 hour, let's go to 15. And then, yeah, so that's what I was saying, we're in this 3 hour, oh shoot, well, that's my mistake. Bring these all over so I can see them. This always ends up happening, when I go down lower, these get farther away from where I actually am. It's just so hard to see what it is I'm doing. I really don't think I'll get down to that volume imbalance, but alright. So we're all the way up here. We actually already took out sell side. So it looks like we had a 8 o'clock move here. We already had internal sell side taken. We have an inverse fair value gap taken, and we're already going up higher. So I'm actually going to mark out this 15-minute low. Great. So then we're going to move this over here. Anyways, so yeah. So we are at, also, there's a change in state put in here. S&P took London, NASDAQ didn't, so it's very bullish. I wonder what opening is going to look like. I would prefer this to have happened in New York. So my predictions is it could come back down and then go back up, or it could just boost up. And we could, no, I think it's going to keep going up. So maybe we'll get another fair value gap. We go into that fair value and then go up. So, oh, also let me bring previous, so day high. Yeah, I don't really like to see setups like this going into New York, but because the move has already sort of started. But whatever, it doesn't really matter. We just have to react to the market. So that I just brought that up to 9 o'clock. I'm gonna actually go forward 15 minutes. So that puts us at 9:55, I believe. Oh, it actually puts us at 9:10. Okay, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30. Okay. SMT, I think put in. Yeah, a slight SMT put in. Oh, okay. Mind you, there is an SMT, so let's see. New York took that low. Oh, okay. SMT still in place. You do not have an inverse for value gap yet. I do. I'm gonna actually, oh wait, I'm on a 15 minute? Oh shoot. I'm gonna go down to a 3. Okay, so the earliest inverse is actually here. We took out sell side liquidity here. We took out this 15-minute low, which is sell side liquidity. Oops. We still have, we have this SMT in place, so I'm gonna just mark that out. Because S&P took that low and NASDAQ didn't. SMT. So I would want to see this close. It's actually still early. It's like what? Oh no, it's 10 o'clock now. Never mind. It's not early. So this is the first inverse that I'm seeing. I'm trying to see if, okay, so there's a 2-minute inverse, there's a 1 minute. Okay, so the 2 minutes inverse is the earliest inverse. So I'm gonna have to actually do maybe 1 minute. SMT is in place. We took sell side liquidity, which is exactly what I wanted to see. I think we can go forward in time just now. I'm just trying to make sure my caught everything. SMT in place, tick sell side liquidity. Oh gosh, I can't even see it. We're in this 3-hour fair value gap. We're at 10 o'clock, so that's very significant. We typically want to take our trades at 9:45, at least 15 minutes after market open, just so we don't get faked out, but we're at 10, so that's actually really good. So this is looking like an inverse model where I enter on the inverse fair value gap. So let's see. Okay. We did not get our change in state. Where do we close? Is that where we close? We just got our first inverse. Right here. Is that SMT still in place? Oh no, that SMT is not in place anymore. So both took age. Okay, but we did get our entry. This is actually a very risky entry. So I'm gonna probably just target previous day's high. Actually is a realistic target. We could also just target 1 to 2. But I feel like that's a disservice. So then you do place order over here. I'm gonna do I feel like 1%'s a lot. But if I got it, it would be a lot, like a really good win. Let's just do the 1%. Oh no. No way. No way, wait a minute. It expanded without us. I don't know if... Hold on. Oh, I don't know. This is very weird. There's a fair value gap here. It coming back all the way down here would be kind of concerning. I don't really know what to do here. Change of state. That's very... It just expanded on me. Change of state entry would actually be better at this point. We do have an inverse. I don't really know... I'm not really sure what to do here in terms of... And we missed it. Oh, that's so unfortunate. It entered at this fair value. Oh my gosh, that's... Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, we missed it. That was a very good entry and a very good setup. Ah, that's so sad. Oh man, okay. Yeah, we missed it. Like, it's like 11 now, so like, it's the move is basically done. No! Oh god. Okay. I'm just gonna log this. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna log this as a miss in my journal. I'm not taking any notes. It's pretty obvious. It's a miss. That's so sad. It was really good, solid analysis with a really solid setup. And we missed it, so. Alright, let's do one more day, and then we will call it. Oh, that's so sad. That was really good analysis, and we didn't get a setup. I would have gotten 1% on that. It's whatever. It's better than a loss. No trade is a good trade, as they say. So, let's see here. On a day. Oh, we gapped up. Okay. Alright, let me see something. What are we? We're on a Thursday still? Oh, and New York ended up plummeting back down after taking out previous day's high. Is that what happened? What the heck? I think so. And then it just gapped. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay. Oh no, so we're actually at 9. 4 hours more. That puts us at Friday. One more to bring us to 750 on a Friday. Okay. So technically I can't outline this. Previous days candles not as relevant since we already took it out, so I'm not gonna outline it. I will outline this buy side liquidity. And yeah, so then 1 hour, we're in this gap. Price likes to fill in gaps. So we're just gonna outline that. New day opening gap, I'm guessing. So this is I'm just gonna put 4-hour gap, even though I think we just saw it on a daily chart, right? So, okay. And we have this low here. So this one, usually when I don't have like a necessary target, we do have a target, but I like to target previous day's high. But since we don't have a you know, I'll put it as a 4-hour low. Because I could just put it into sell side liquidity, but okay. Did I fix this? Because I know this was, oh yeah, I did. Okay, we're at a 7:55. I'm gonna go forward an hour. And maybe 5 minutes to just bring us to 9 o'clock. Oh, okay. Thought that would open up the, oh, that's because I'm on the 4-hour. Okay, so that gave us another candle. We're already going below this. So we have session highs above us, and we have some liquidity, relative equal highs, relative equal. So we're filling back in the gap. I'm definitely looking to be bullish. So this is possibly a very clear bullish trade. So I'm just gonna go down to 5 minute. There's not much here except for this, and we're already taking it out. And we have a lot of low resistance liquidity. So it's 9, I'm gonna go forward 15 minutes. And we're at 9:10, 9:15, 9:15, 9:20, 9:25, 9:30. Oh, okay. 9:30. Ah, okay, that went down a lot. Let's see here. I'm just gonna wait on the 5 minute inverse to close. I think I should probably back out a little bit and see what we're dealing with. Wow, okay. Where was the 12 a.m. open? Here. We're way below the 12 a.m. open. We just refilled back in the gap. And today is a what? A Friday? Ooh, Fridays are usually kind of weird days to trade. They can work out, but okay. I'm probably going to lower my risk on this. And just go for a simple 1 to 2 on this one. Yeah. We just closed out this candle, I believe. Wait a minute, but then we also have this one here. I'm going to still enter on it. I'm going to probably lower down my risk for this trade. Probably do... just because Friday's a weird day. Yeah. So lowering down my risk on that was actually a valid decision. Fridays are weird days to trade, so this might just continue to. And it's already 8:12, so yeah. Took a small loss on that. Knew it was risky, so hence why I lowered down my risk for that one. And it kind of just chops for the rest of the day until, yeah, I know it kind of just chops. Afternoon it kind of increases a little bit. Yep, just chops. quite unfortunate. We had a bullish bias. It failed us, went down. It happens. But we recognized the risk we took on, and we handled it accordingly. Alright, I'm just gonna log this and put it as a loss. Took a small loss on that, that's fine. We are on April 19th, going into the next week. So, alright guys, that's it. Missed one and lost one other. I really wish I could have got a win for you guys, but that's just the nature of the market. You're not going to win every day. I'm really happy with how I handled both trades we took, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and let me know what you want to see next.